Windows 11's latest preview introduces exciting taskbar enhancements. Now you can easily monitor your laptop's battery status with a new feature that displays the battery percentage directly on the taskbar. The battery icon also changes color to indicate its state: black or white for healthy, orange for low, and green when charging. This feature is off by default but can be enabled via settings under power and battery. Additionally, a new energy saver model lets you customize when it activates based on battery level. Alongside these taskbar improvements, Microsoft is increasing Xbox Game Pass promotions within Windows 11. Users will notice ads in Windows settings, offering a free 14-day trial of Xbox Game Pass to friends. If you don't have a subscription, you'll see prompts to purchase one. For those with Game Pass Ultimate or PC Game Pass, a new referral card appears, allowing you to invite friends to try PC Game Pass for free. This card is visible only if you're signed in with a Microsoft account and meet eligibility criteria. These features are currently being tested through the Windows Insider program, specifically in the Dev channel. Microsoft is gathering feedback before a broader release, which could take a month or two. This testing phase ensures that any bugs or issues are addressed before the features become widely available. As Microsoft continues to refine Windows 11, users can expect more updates and enhancements, making the operating system more intuitive and user-friendly. Stay tuned for these exciting changes coming soon to your device. IT News brought to you by CD Technology. We are dedicated to the security of your business. Contact us today at 865-909-7606 to discuss how we can help your business.